Easter is around the corner, so let's make a swimsuit for those who can escape to the beach. I'm going to trace my pattern from my block of measurements, a swimsuit one I made last year, and you can trace it even from underwear, but leaving it quite tight because of course these stretchy materials always stretch. The first thing I'm going to do is to trace a new pattern from my swimsuit block. I can now cut 2 panels of each fabric and sew them right sides together to make 2 costumes that are going one inside the other and sewn together on the wrong side with some elastic band. And to trace it, I'm going to trace it from my pattern block I have, and I'm going to make the shoulder, the left shoulder, well, it can be any shoulder, the shoulder a bit wider, and then I'm going to use my French curves, the pattern making rulers, to go all the way to the opposite armhole. The design is going to be quite simple. It's going to be asymmetrical with only one shoulder, and I'm going to trace the front and the back the same. It's going to be quite high on the back as well. And because I couldn't decide, I have 2 pieces of material. They were in the remnant boxes in the shops. This one had a hole in it, and the other one, it was fine. It was just a meter of it. I know this one was €4, but the flowery one, I have no idea, because of course they always give me the whole price of the few remnants I take, so I'm not sure, about more or less the same, €4 or €6, something like that. So I'm going to do it reversible. And once I have my pattern, I'm going to cut my fabrics, the 2 of them right sides together or wrong sides together, really, it doesn't matter. And I think it's a very versatile pattern, because even though some people think, well, that's really close up, is not very attractive or very nice, but I think it's quite elegant. And apart from that, maybe I think it's versatile because you can wear it as a bodysuit, like underneath your clothes. If you're in a beach resort or in a beach area, you can wear it with your shorts on and you're ready to go to the beach. Or maybe some people don't like wearing really open back swimsuits, and this one is ideal. And as well, if you're going for a swim, I think it could be quite comfortable as well. So now it's a matter of sewing the 2 swimsuits separately by the shoulder seam, the sides and the crotch, right sides together. And I'm going to do it with my normal machine, not with the overlocker, because many people don't have it, and I need to go and get some needles in the proper single shop because they don't have them in the haberdashery. And I'm going to be sewing with some polyester thread and a normal needle, because I don't know why my machine don't sew with stretch needles. Who knows? So that way you can see that even with difficulties you can get it done. We hope. And now I'm going to put one swimsuit inside the other, right sides together, and sew the neckline. I'm going to start with the neckline so I can make it seamless. And I'm going to use some elastic as well. I'm not going even to measure it, I'm just going to add some elastic, and that's it, yes. And now the armhole, that's a bit more complicated because if you do it wrong size and that's it, you won't be able to turn it right sides out again. So from the crotch line, I'm going to pull the material out and start sewing little by little while turning it, while pulling more and more swimsuit out, and that way I can sew it, and I'm not going to add elastic over there. I don't think it needed. So this looks nice. It took me a while, but it looks really nice and seamless. And then what I don't know how to do is the legs opening without any seams. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add the elastic to one of the swimsuits, to the blue one for example, and then once it's on, I'm going to fold both sides and sew it on the right side. I don't know if maybe you can do it leaving the crotch opening on one of the swimsuits and pulling material out from there. Looks quite difficult, doesn't it? So I'm going to do it like this, and then from now to summer I have time to think about a way of doing it. All the problems I didn't have with the machine before, I had them now with the legs bit. The seam doesn't look really good, but well, from now until summer I have time to think of another way of doing it. Skipped stitches. But it always does with the stretchy materials. That's my problem with my machine. I love the result, I'm really happy with it. I love both fabrics, even though I was a bit afraid of using them at the same time in the same project because they have different consistencies. The orange one is a bit thicker than the blue one, so I was a bit afraid I was going to ruin it. I didn't have problems sewing it except for the part that my machine skipped a few stitches. It always does with stretchy materials. I love the design, it's quite comfortable, although it could have done with a few centimeters more on this side, so you're a bit more secure, like a bit more confident of your movement. Nothing goes out or moves, it doesn't move anywhere, but it will give you a bit more confidence, that's all. And I really love the design because it's quite discreet, and with a pair of shorts, a skirt or anything like that, any summery stuff, you can wear it on a beach side and you're ready for the beach, and it can look like a bodysuit as well. And this is the other one. I think it looks really nice with the print, and both of them are quite nice to have. So let me know down in the comments what you thought, any other ideas, tips. I always love reading them and trying to make them possible, trying to follow them. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. It helps the channel a lot, and that way you don't miss anything, because I upload twice a week. So if you're learning, if you like this kind of content or ideas, just press the button. And I leave you here a link with all the swimming costumes I've made, which are already a few. So have a look. I'm sure you'll have some nice ideas for yourself. See you around.